Welcome everyone. On this tutorial I explain how data is stored in the computer's memory. This refers to the data that you assign to a variable, and when you do that, that value is stored somewhere in memory. So to show you how the process is, rather than it will make more sense if I see you exactly how it works, well, exactly how it actually virtually works. I'm going to run a program that is only available on XP mode. There might be other programs, but this one is an assembly code. Is debug. And there might be other programs. I don't know what running in other operating systems. ASM is one of them. It's for Linux and I believe Windows as well. But anyway, the purpose of running this assembly code is for you to realize that the data is stored somewhere in memory. So where in memory? Well, I'm going to start with memory location 100. So the way I do that is by just typing there A assigned to memory 100. There I'm going to start saying a move, and that'll be MOV is short for move to the register AX, which in this case is going to start this program at memory 100, the value 5. Then the next one is I'm going to say move to register BX, the value 10. And the next one is going to be an addition. I'm going to perform an addition between what is on the register AX and what is on register BX. Notice that I don't say 5 plus 10, but I'm using the variables there AX. Think of AX and BX as variables, so I'm using just the AX and BX, and whatever value is there can change. Yeah. So I'll say that, and then I'm going to just interrupt the program. I'm going to say the command for that is int. It's not short for integer as we do in Java. Just interrupt, which is a different thing. And 20 is the value for that command. So I'll stop the program, and now I want to see how is this program stored in memory. To do that, I'm going to run the command T. There will show me that AX has now the value 5 stored in it. Yeah. And the next line is going to run is here, move the value 10 to BX. So think of this as when you run the Java program, you're saying integer AX equal 5. That's what it goes, and integer BX equals 10. So you moving a value, storing a value into a certain memory location. And the memory location and the name of the variable is the reference to that location. So now I move to the next line. Next line will assign the value 10 to VX. And then move to the next line. Next line, which is going to be this one, add AX and BX, and the value there is 15. Yes, so it's a value 10 plus 5 equals 15. So this is just what it is. It's as simple as that. I use assembly because I wanted you to see to handle the memory locations. That's something that on Java, on the Visual Basic or any other third generation language you're not able to. That's something that is the program makes an abstraction of it, so you know that you assign a value and the value will be handled by memory process, so you don't have a direct access to memory. Assembly code, just if you're curious about, is still used for programs like computer drivers, like graphic cards or printers. Among other things, is because it's faster. And why is faster? Because you have direct handling of the memory locations. So it's not like a middle person there, like Java just compiling and making their own adjustments. No, you do it. However, yeah, that comes to a price. The more details, the more handling you have of the program, the more knowledge and expertise is required. Yeah? Okay, well, I hope that this makes clear that when you declare a variable and you're using a data type for that, you're just requesting a memory allocation. You know that different data types have different requirements, and when you're assigning a value, you storing that value in a particular memory location. Yes, and the variable refers to that memory location. Okay, well, I hope that this makes it a bit clearer. Okay, talk to you on the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.